If you're thinking that Dubai is only about driving fancy Ferraris and Lamborghinis, then you're badly mistaken. There are two sides of Dubai, one being the expensive side and the other being the affordable side. From high-rise buildings to a kadak tea on the roadside, Dubai has something for everyone in the city. Whether you are the ultra-rich or the middle class, there's something for everyone in the city. In fact, there is no concept of MRP in this city. The same packet of chips would be available at different rates in this city, as retailers are free to choose the price at which they want to sell the goods. Hi everyone, I am Karan Batra and I've been helping people set up companies in Dubai for more than 14 years now. And in this video, I would be talking about the cost of living in Dubai. In this video, I would be talking about the rental cost, the travel cost, the food cost, and the other monthly living cost. There certainly is no income tax on individuals in Dubai, but when it comes to paying the house rent, your wallet, it will start feeling taxed. Just to give you some context, rent for a 1 BHK in Dubai will cost you around 3,000 to 5,000 dirhams per month. If you're looking at more affordable options, you can look at Sharjah, where the rent would be around say 2,500 to 3,500 dirhams per month for 1 BHK. People sometimes they share this accommodation with their roommates, and thus the per person rental cost in Dubai works out to around 1,500 to 2,500 dirhams per month, while in Sharjah it works out to around 1,200 to 1,800 dirhams per month. But if you're thinking that you would be able to save cost by staying on the outskirts of Dubai, then yes, you may be right. But please take note of the fact that traveling expenses will shoot up massively. Cabs are super expensive in Dubai. I mean, I am from India and I find cabs expensive in Dubai. I have friends from Canada who don't find cabs expensive in Dubai, as they feel that the rates are the same like they have in Canada. However, I feel it's quite expensive, especially considering the fact that the fuel rates in Dubai are almost half that of India. The cost of fuel here in Dubai is 2.4 dirhams per litre, which in INR works to around 55 only, whereas back home in India, the fuel rates are almost 100 rupees a litre. Thus, the fuel rates in Dubai are almost half of the fuel rates in India, but cabs are still super expensive. Just to give you some context, cab rates here in Delhi are 2.1 dirhams, which in INR works to 50 rupees per kilometer, while Uber in India works at around 10 to 12 rupees per kilometer. That means cabs are 5 times more expensive in Dubai than in India. For us, back home in India, a cab means a white-colored WagonR or a white-colored Swift Desire. But in Dubai, when you book a cab, it is normally a Toyota Camry which comes to pick you up. And if you're thinking that Dubai also has a metro and you would be able to easily travel in the metro, then yes, a lot of people do travel by the metro every day. But let me tell you that the connectivity of Dubai metro is not so good. It doesn't go everywhere, and therefore if you're planning to travel by metro, it is advisable that you choose an accommodation which is near the metro. A monthly pass for the metro will cost you around 350 dirhams per month. And if you own a car in Dubai, life would be much easier for you. Most people, they spend around 400 to 600 dirhams per month as the fuel cost. Apart from these expenses, your utility bills, that is your electricity, water, gas, this will cost you in the range of 400 to 800 dirhams. Another expense which I find abnormally high is the internet and telephone expense. I mean, back home in India, we are used to internet and telephone being virtually free, all thanks to Jio. However, Dubai and internet are expensive here in Dubai. You can assume your phone cost will be around 200 dirhams per month, while your home internet will cost you around 300 dirhams per month. And yes, that is expensive. But if you're wondering that you would be able to use the WhatsApp calls to call your friends and family across the globe, then let me give you the real shocker. WhatsApp calling does not work in Dubai. Yes, You heard it right. WhatsApp calling does not work in Dubai. Using WhatsApp to send text messages works absolutely fine, but WhatsApp calling does not work in Dubai. So, what do people do? They sometimes record audio and send them as messages in a WhatsApp chat. WhatsApp calling is not allowed, but sending voice notes is allowed. But if you want to make data calls, then yes, there is a workaround. There is an app called Botim which people use to make data calls. So if you and your friend have both installed the Botim app, you can make data calls using Botim for free. I personally don't find the audio quality of Botim to be as good as WhatsApp, but frankly speaking, there's no other option. The next expense that you would be incurring is your grocery expense. And like I said earlier, Dubai does not have the concept of MRP, so the same bottle of Coke would be sold at different prices in different areas. So, depending on which area you're staying in and what kinds of brands you prefer, your monthly cost could be in the range of 600 dirhams to 1500 dirhams per month. As far as eating out is concerned, if you're looking at affordable options, biryani in Dubai is also available at 10 dirhams and a cup of kadak tea is also available at 2 dirhams. So depending on where you're staying, which outlets you're going to, you can see a lot of variety in the pricing. A lot of people call tea by the name of kadak tea, and it is easily available at every nook and corner in Dubai. If you're going to a decent restaurant to dine out, a meal for two will cost you around 100 dirhams to 200 dirhams. A movie ticket will cost you around 40-50 dirhams, while a gym membership will cost you around 200 to 400 dirhams per month. A lot of families, they also hire part-time or full-time house helps. A part-time house help will cost you around 1000 to 1500 dirhams per month, while a full-time maid or a full-time house help will cost you around 2500 to 3000 dirhams monthly. On top of all these expenses, you can consider another 1000 to 2000 dirhams as the monthly expense. Let me know in the comments below as to which cost surprised you the most. And if you're thinking about why are so many people setting up companies in Dubai, then do check out this video right here. Thank you.